Aura is the provider of this video for you. In today's video, we discuss 8 arguments from the Tesla bull himself for why you should purchase Tesla shares. Twitter page for Gary Black. You should watch the entire movie because some of these will surprise you. A list of the most valuable automobile brands for 2022 recently included Tesla at the top. Given that the auto industry experienced tremendous growth this year despite challenging market conditions, it is safe to assume that Tesla will hold this position for some time to come. Welcome back to everything, everyone, and hello. Tesla shares. According to the company's most recent financial reports, Tesla is recognized as the market's top EV manufacturer and the largest seller of battery electric vehicles. Tesla's annual revenue is currently at $67.16 billion. The car company is continuously working to increase profit margins, and now stock investor and industry authority Gary Black has given some of the reasons why he thinks Tesla can achieve even greater milestones in the coming months. Before we begin, the stock investor claims that there are 8 reasons why you should purchase Tesla stock right now. If you enjoy this kind of information, please click the like button, subscribe, and enable notifications so that you can stay informed about everything that the managing partner of Tesla's future fund is doing. Gary Black recently published a tweet outlining the several variables that, in his opinion, could enable Tesla to record higher profitability in the future should these factors and initiatives come to pass. These are the 8 elements stated by Gary Black that might cause Tesla to make significant profits and see its stock price rise to $550 in the next 6 to 12 months. Number 1. Twitter hangover lift. By October earlier this year, Musk announced plans to purchase Twitter, an American social media platform, for $44 billion. Twitter accepted the offer, but Musk later withdrew, citing numerous breaches of the agreement. This prompted a great deal of analysis, with some analysts even lowering their price targets for Tesla stock as a result. Elon Musk was eventually sued by Twitter, and a 5-day trial is now scheduled for October. Following this transaction, Musk has come under fire numerous times, which has had a negative impact on the price of Tesla stock. But if it's finally settled in October, Tesla stock might potentially see a significant increase. EPS and Q3 sales per Tesla in October. Per Black, one factor that could influence Tesla's stock price is the company's anticipated Q3 earnings. In the first few days of October, Tesla will release its third-quarter vehicle delivery data, and many analysts and Tesla fans are eagerly anticipating this. Due to a brief downtime at the company's Shanghai factory at the beginning of the year, Tesla deliveries declined 18% sequentially in the second quarter of this year. Nevertheless, investors remain optimistic about Tesla's Q3 earnings and the company's excellent year-over-year growth. Despite having a difficult second quarter, there are reasons to think that Tesla will have stronger results in the third. Third on the list is Gary's prediction for the SP grade rating in October and what it implications for the stock price. Discussing prices before we proceed, here's a special offer from our sponsor. This segment of the video is sponsored by New, a group of American men over 25. It turns out that this represents 70% of our audience, but since YouTube does a great job of encrypting your data, it's all we know about you. Your data isn't always secure, though, in the ever-expanding internet universe of today. Do you know which type of crime is increasing the quickest in America? That is identity theft. In 2020, identity theft affected approximately 49 million Americans, costing them a total of $56 billion. Imagine trying to access your email and discovering that your password has been changed, locking you out. You then begin to receive odd notifications from your bank and credit cards as a result of the complete compromise of all of your personal and sensitive information. When it happened to one of us a few years ago, we were astonished. It took a lot of time and effort to resolve, but fortunately we succeeded. This is why we're thrilled to work with Aura, who is both the official digital security sponsor of the Minnesota Timberwolves and the sponsor of this film. The best identity theft and financial fraud security is offered by Aura. It keeps an eye on the internet and the dark web and notifies you when any of your passwords or accounts are compromised. Aura also gives you the option to create spending alerts and will alert you to any unusual transactions. If someone tries to open a credit card or get a loan using your identity, our platform will notify you up to 4 times faster than any of its rivals. Aura provides fraud monitoring and identity theft protection. One user-friendly app combines VPN password management, antivirus software, and other features. You can check to see if the personal information of you or your family has been compromised by using Aura for free and risk-free for 2 weeks starting today. Visit aura.com to begin your 14-day free trial. When you use the link in the description below to sample Aura, Tesla is also aware that you're helping to fund our little YouTube channel and the creation of these incredible videos. Thank you very much. And with that, let's return to today's third video, which is about the S&P grade in October. While this may not sound like a poor rating, Tesla's rating was raised by the SPEED last October to BB+, one notch below investment grade. Given that the manufacturer has produced profits for more than 2 years running and has amassed a cash position of more than $18 billion while carrying very little debt, some Tesla supporters still think the company deserves a higher rating. Tesla has not yet received an investment-grade rating from the S&P, which could be a disadvantage as it might deter huge funds with a policy that only invest in businesses with an investment-grade rating. Many observers, including Gary Black, believe that this won't last for very long. According to Black, the S&P will probably increase Tesla's credit rating in October. New gigafactories in the UK and North America are ranked number 4 on the list. Elon Musk joined Tesla's plans to launch a new gigafactory earlier in August. The automaker has begun stepping up production at its 2 new plants in Texas and Germany, and it is anticipated that these establishments will start making a significant contribution to the company's output volume very soon, possibly even in the second half of this year. Additionally, Tesla's other facilities, particularly the one in Shanghai, are reporting an increase in vehicle deliveries. According to Gary Black, Tesla will likely start construction on its North American and UK gigafactories in the fourth quarter of 2022. The $10 billion buyback of Tesla stock in December comes in at number 5. Gary Black also mentioned in his tweet that due to the company's struggles with the market and the economy, Tesla's $10 billion buyback may take place in December. Leo Kogan, a Chinese-American investor and business executive, claims that someone else bought a conventional stock buyback may be the answer for Tesla. Because the price of Tesla stock is now depressed, the firm may decide to repurchase some of its outstanding shares. By doing so, Tesla will increase its growth potential and stabilize its depressed share price. Along with the growth in gigafactories, the automakers also continue to update their FSD software for their EVs in the fourth quarter, with the release of the 6th FSD beta. The fourth quarter of 2022 will see the release of additional FSD beta updates, according to Black in his tweet. Tesla has been cautious about the introduction of this software since it has not yet reached the stage where it is no longer a possible safety hazard on public roads. The manufacturer is progressively raising these figures. With the addition of around 60,000 new owners in September, Tesla expanded the FSD beta program, bringing the total number of participants to 160,000. Seventh on the list is the mid-2023 debut of the Cybertruck, with more improvements to Tesla's FSD software on the way. Its July release date for its Cyber vehicle might be approaching. I must vouch for Tesla's intention to launch Cybertron around the middle of 2023. The CEO of Tesla said that the business is still planning to begin producing the Cybertruck in the middle of next year, and that he is really optimistic that the finished product would be the best thing the company has ever produced. Finally, number 8 $30,000 electric vehicles will debut in the middle of 2024. Gary Blake noted that one factor contributing to the stock's likely future value of $550 is the potential introduction of a $30,000 electric vehicle in 2024. Following the Federal Reserve's recent increase in interest rates, the price of Tesla stock recently fell. However, with improved sales and profit margins, the company is anticipated to perform better going forward. Congratulations if you finished watching the entire video. What did you make of Gary Black's forecast on Tesla? Can Tesla stock hit 550 in the next 6 to 12 months? If you're interested in learning more about what Tesla has been doing lately, let us know in the comments section below. Click the next video that appears on your screen.